Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. In this video, I am going to tell you few common meta ad mistakes. Let's start the video. Running meta ads is not difficult. Anyone can go online, create a campaign and start running ads within minutes. But most of the people are struggling to get good results. Why? Because even they set up everything right, but they make few simple mistakes that kill their performance and waste their ad budget. So in this video, let's find out few common meta ad mistakes that hurt your ROI and how to fix them. Turning off campaign too early. Many beginners make this mistake when running meta ads. They launch a campaign and start checking results in every few hours. If they don't get leads or sales on the first day, they stop their campaign immediately. This is a big mistake. Meta needs time to optimize your campaign. That is called learning phase. In the first 2 to 3 days, meta ad is testing your audience and placement. If you pause it too early, meta will never get a chance to understand who really interested in your product. How you can fix them? Let's run your campaign at least 4 to 5 days before judge any result. And second is broad targeting. Lot of people think broader is better. They leave targeting completely open, no interest, no filters, nothing. Meta will find out everything. If your ad is new and Meta does not have any data yet, it has no idea who is your audience. That's why your results are poor and your ad cost go high. Then how you can fix this? Start with interest-based targeting first. Once you get few conversations and Meta will definitely find your audience, then you can go for broad targeting for better results. Change your creative timely. This one kill more campaign than anything else. Most advertisers create 3-4 ad creative and then keep running the same ones for months and months. But here is the truth. Your creative decide more than half of your result. If people keeping same ad again and again, then they will get bored, and this is called ad fatigue. Create at least 3 to 4 new creative every week. Try different visuals, hooks and formats. And even if one ad is working well, don't stop there. Take that idea and make new variation from it. That's how you keep your ads fresh and your results strong. And last and most important, making constant changes during the learning phase. Many advertisers keep tweaking their ads every day, changing the audience, copy and budget. Every time you do that, Meta reset the learning phase again and again. And how you can fix this? When you launch a new campaign, leave it untouched for few days. Wait to get the at least 30-40 conversions before making any big changes. Small edits are fine, but don't completely restart it daily. At last, what we discussed today, don't stop your campaign too early. Start with interest-based audience. Keep testing new creatives. Avoid daily edit during learning phase. If you fix these, you will start getting better performance, lower cost and stronger ROI from your meta ads. Thank you friends. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video and also subscribe the channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.